But they're not. I found something green in the grass.
Yeah, so if we just take a little piece of grass and put it on the table.
Oh, Angel.
Do you see something yellow?
Something yellow?
Yeah, the flower.
Okay, plug it.
Okay, so now we take the flower and we put it on the tape. And we just put it on the yellow tape right here. And just stick it on top.
Come back.
Soon.
But tomorrow morning too.
Yeah.
Look, there's a flower right there. You're connected.
Okay, now how many leaves?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll make a circle in 5.
Flowers.
1, 2. 2 flowers.
Yes.
Let's make a circle in 2.
Let's do that.
Do it.
Let's do it quickly. Good job.
It looks like a heart.
Yeah. Okay, what is that?
1 tractor.
Yay, give me high five. Give me high five. High five. High five. High five. Circle it.
Can you make circle?
Yeah, circle on the floor right there. Like that. Circle on the floor. Did it.